These lighted orbs are a unique way to add light to an outdoor space. Begin by cutting a section of chicken wire about 3 times wider than the diameter you want for the finished orb. Roll the wire into a cylinder and tie it together with wire. Next, you'll want to begin folding the ends of the cylinder into the middle and begin sculpting the wire into the orb shape. Be sure to secure the folds by bending over the raw ends of the wire. Now you're ready to add the lights. Fish one end of the light string through the holes in the chicken wire and begin wrapping the string around the orb until you reach the other end. Then repeat the process of fishing the plug through the chicken wire to secure the light string. Now the orb is ready to hang by itself or with others.